at the Singh post. You can see at the background. I just sent some courier to India to my mom, and that's it. I just came from clinic, and my husband is with me because today he wanted to help me out with the baby care because I'm not keeping well today. And we came to clinic very early in the morning, 8:30, but my number was number 6, but it took 2.5 hours till my turn came, and now I had to send a courier. Actually, I was sending a scar cream to my mom because, as I told you before, she met with an accident. So I wanted to send one Palmer's Cocoa Butter Scar Serum, which is supposed to be very good for people with surgeries and all that. So she already has her own medication, what she has showing to her doctor there. But I wanted to send her so that she can try it out because I really trust Palmer's Cocoa Butter products. So that's it. I just sent a courier to her. I hope she gets it soon. I'm feeling very tired, and I have to go back to clinic after a week. I need some rest today, and I will be editing this vlog later on, and I will also be sharing my tonight's video on my main channel. So I'll catch you guys later. Okay, so I am almost ready to go out. I just have to do my makeup, and I'm feeling so lazy. I don't know if I should do it or not. And I'm wearing this romper and all that. I know the lighting in the room is not so good because my studio lighting is off. It is just a tube light up there. I just wanted to show you the sneak peek. Ignore the bra storage. Other than that, this is just a sneak peek of my upcoming haul video that I will be doing in August. I don't know this week or next week. I am so tired. You may see dark circle, and at the bottom you can see the hangers. See how many clothes I am going to throw away. Actually, not throwing away, I'm going to donate this bunch of clothes which I'm not using currently, or which some of the clothes are really old, which I am bored of wearing. Some are new, but I think they don't suit me, or I don't want to wear them much. So what I've done, I folded them all, and I'm going to pack it in this what do you call this box. I'm going to pack. I have already done almost. I am going to clear one more closet and put some more and fill it up, and then put the cellophane tape, and I'm going to donate it here in Singapore. So that's what I'm going to do, but I don't know what should I do with these hangers right now. I have no place to store them. Guys, today I thought that I will vlog at any cost because I usually forget to vlog. So right now we are at the MRT. My husband is with me, and obviously my baby is also with me, and that's it. So let's see what I do today. The pedestrian walk on the Orchard Road actually, and actually Orchard Road is very long. I'm not even sure whether you guys can see me clearly or hear me clearly, but I had to vlog today because, you know, last 2 times when I wanted to vlog for 2 special occasions, I did not carry my camera by mistake, and one time I did carry my camera but I didn't get time to vlog. So whenever I have my husband with me who can take care of my son, I can vlog for you guys. So that's it. If you want, you can see around. Actually, the bad part about vlogging at night is that you can not see much. Look at the lightings, they are so pretty. They have pink, green, blue lighting in front of this hotel Cathay, and we are just walking and looking for our way. It's been like 3 years since we are living here in Singapore, and we still have a lot of places to explore. Today we are going to sell off our DSLR cameras, actually 3 cameras that we have. We are going to sell it off, and by somehow we are out at the evening time. It's already 7 PM and it's dark. You can see all the taxis on the road and all that nonsense here, because I'm totally pissed off when I don't find way, and we are just looking at Google map and just trying to reach the place. It is somewhere here itself, 5 to 10 minutes walk from here, but we still have to see where it is. So my husband is trying to find his way because I am really bad at Google Maps. It's 7-Eleven Singapore, and my husband is just gone out. I mean, what am I saying? Seriously, I'm so tired. My husband is in. He just went to get some drink because it's really hot and he's thirsty. So that's it, and we reached the mall. This is the mall, like it's the outside of the mall. I can see McDonald's there, MS Burger over here, and he's out with some drink, something. What did you get?
This one is citrusy orange real juice drink.
Okay. I'm at the Sim Lim Square. It is supposed to be the hub for gadgets here in the Singapore. And we're just trying to sell the camera. We are at the D1 Accessories wholesale for mobile accessories shop in Sim Lim Square, and you can see the inside of the shop. It has lot of second-hand gadgets here. Everything, like everything over here, and even at the outside it looks like all resale of the used stuff, but a lot of stuff is still packed. So that's where we are right now, and they are bargaining and all that is going on, and I don't like this stuff because it is boring. So my husband is deciding what he has to do with the camera, and for me these things are headache. It is actually, I tell you honestly, if you ask me personally, what I feel is that instead of selling those cameras, it's better to give someone a gift. That is more better than, you know, just selling it, because you don't get the price of it and it pains. I usually don't like to sell off my stuff which I use. So that's the thing. All of our cameras, these are my old cameras. You can see it's Nikon and the Sony Cybershot and Sony HDR CX150. So I sold all these three cameras, and this is the uncle. Say hello, uncle.
See you.
And that's my husband. Oh my god, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, this next three. Any X3N. So that's it. I just sold my cameras and I have the cash in my hand. My husband gave the cash to me, so it's for me because those were my cameras. That's so sweet of him. And that's it. So I'll catch you guys later and show you. This is the shop inside. Finally the big task is done, because it was really hectic to search for a shop and finally settle on a price to sell the cameras. So that's done. Yeah, so I'm just going to have my dinner, but this is going to be a snacky dinner. Something like, I'm going to have this dahi papdi bhalla. So it's dahi bhalla and papdi chaat, and I'm also going to have it with the, what do we call that, pav bhaji. I'm so tired. Anyways, so I'm going to have my pav bhaji and bhalla, and we have also ordered one thali, which is supposed to be some deluxe thali of Bikaner. If you want to see, this is how the store looks from inside. They have my sweet lassi, and the guy is going to have his lime. That's all. That's what we are going to have it for the dinner tonight. And I also ordered this thali, which is North Indian thali. So it has all the varieties of Indian, North Indian food. And my husband is already tired. He's very tired. I am at the Sri Krishna Temple, Singapore, and here they are celebrating Sri Krishna Janmashtami. They are distributing the prasad over here, and this is the basement of the temple, which is under construction right now.
What is this? Your boy coming through the backside. I hate this. What I wanna see the boy, but now I see this. What's in your bed? What's in your bed?
Chicken Caesar salad.
You see something in chicken? I'm at the Singapore Singapore Art Museum. You guys can see at the background there is some function going on. Actually, there is some things are going on. It's Singapore Music Festival. So I'm inside the museum. It's actually night time. It's 9:30 at the night, and there are a lot of people here. It's nice. I have never come to the museum in Singapore. We have passed through this place so many times, but I always skipped it. So it's nice today to be here because it's Singapore Night Festival. So this is what I am wearing. I am in the pace has changed. Right now in McDonald's. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm sitting outside and there is McD inside, and we just had grocery shopping. It's like Sunday evening and I have a severe toothache. Like I'm getting a wisdom tooth on my left side, so it's like, oh, it's paining like hell. Oh my god, it's paining like really bad. I've got this whole area numb. I feel like I have a throat infection, and then my ears are like blocked, and I also feel something at the back side of my eyes, so it's real bad. So what I got, from Guardians, I just got a Panadol tablet for toothache so that I can survive tonight, and if it still continues tomorrow, I may go to a dentist. My son is a Pingu lover, so right now he is on his baby chair in McD, and I have just put my phone and we are just playing Pingu so that he can watch it until his father comes. And you see, that is the grocery store where I came for buying grocery and a lot of vegetables and all that, and we also have a small little playground for kids. Here we have McDonald's. I don't know if you can see clearly, but my husband is at the counter right now ordering food, and it usually happens, you know, see my baby stroller, even in the front it's totally filled up, and at the back side, that's my son's Pingu bag. He loves Pingu, so it's a small diaper bag which I carry when I am just close to my house. I'm not going too far. It's just an hour or 2 hours stuff, like I have his diaper, some baby food for him and water and all that stuff. And here at the stroller down at the bottom, it's filled. So basically it's all filled, very heavy right now. And after buying all this grocery, we are sitting at the McD to have our dinner. That's the irony of the grocery shopping, because it gets really tough when you do grocery shopping and you get tired. And moreover, I don't know what happened with the camera. Yeah, and moreover, I have severe toothache, so my husband insisted that I should have my dinner outside and not cook at home. So that's it. And what else? I did film a video yesterday, and I'm very excited for that because it's going to be my everyday makeup routine, but I still have to edit it. But I'll take some time because it's like, you know, bad. The weather is really good in Singapore right now. It's like rainy, crazy. I'm not wearing any makeup. It's like my regular face, nothing. And my hair is up in a ponytail. I'm wearing this bunny shirt and a red pant. You can see it's so nice. I just love this material. It's like Georgette kind of soft material. I got it from Rombi, and this bunny t-shirt is really cute. So this is what I'm wearing, very comfy clothing for weekends, especially with family timing and just to go around grocery shopping, just enjoy myself. And we did go out yesterday. We went to Chinatown to the autumn festival, and that was super cute, but it was very crowded, so we just spent little time over there, then rushed with friends for dinner. I did carry my camera, but I couldn't vlog. Vlogging with the baby is really tough. You see right now he's just sitting and watching it, and my husband is ordering. I don't have anything to do, so I could vlog. I do carry my camera, sometimes I forget, but I'm just trying to get used to vlogging. And since I don't have any help, I do things by myself, so it gets sometimes difficult to vlog. But since you guys requested, I try to do it as much as I can. And I also have some previous days vlogs, so I'll mix everything together and probably try to edit it tonight or tomorrow. Actually, I want to just relax today. I didn't do anything other than cooking our lunch and breakfast and house cleaning. I didn't feel like working and editing and filming anything, and that is usually how my weekends are with my family. And I think you guys cannot hear me much because I'm at a noisy place. It's very windy and people are all around. So I'll see you guys in some other video. Bye. Got my dinner, and I just thought to show you. So it's called Frappe Mocha. We both are having mocha so that we can have some coffee because of my headache. And this is a new stuff from McD, which is like grilled chicken salad. It's my husband's favorite. You get it with the meal. You can choose fries or corn. He's on a healthy diet, so he wants to have salad, chicken and corn. And I am on healthy diet as well, but today I am in mood to eat the burger. So I'm going to have Mac spicy burger because it's my favorite, with some fries. So that's what it is for dinner tonight. And he wants to say you something.
What?
Say
Nothing.
hi.
Say hello.
So how is it going today?
Yeah, it's going good.
What did you do this weekend?
Yeah, we went to a lot of places. We went to one festival, Singapore Night Festival, and the other one in Chinatown.
Oh yes, we went to Singapore Night Festival and it was good, and my baby needs our attention, so we will catch you later. Bye.
Bye-bye.